How to connect a Brother printer to Wi-Fi. Connecting your Brother printer to Wi-Fi allows wireless printing from computers, phones, and tablets. Follow these steps. Method 1, using the control panel, recommended. Step 1, prepare the printer. 1. Turn on the Brother printer. 2. Ensure the printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode. Check for blinking Wi-Fi light. Step 2. Access wireless settings. 1. On the printer's display, go to Settings or Setup, Network, Wireless LAN. Exact menu names vary by model. 2. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. 1. The printer will scan for available networks. Select your Wi-Fi network name, SSID. 3. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the keypad. 4. Wait for the connection. Wi-Fi light should stay solid. Step 4. Print a test page. Print a network configuration report, usually under Reports or Settings, to confirm the connection. Method 2. Using WPS if supported. Step 1. Enable WPS on your router. 1. Press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. Hold for 3 seconds. Step 2. Activate WPS on the printer. On the printer, go to Settings, Network, Wireless LAN, WPS, Push Button Mode. 2. Follow prompts to connect. 3. Wait for the Wi-Fi light to stabilize. Method 3. Using a USB cable, temporary setup. Step 1. Connect via USB. 1. Plug the printer into your computer using a USB cable. 2. Install drivers from Brother support. Step 2. Switch to Wi-Fi. 1. Open Brother printer settings on your computer. 2. Select Wireless Setup and follow the steps to connect to Wi-Fi. 3. Disconnect the USB cable once connected. Success! Your Brother printer is now connected to Wi-Fi. You can now print wirelessly from your PC, Mac, or smartphone. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.